To troubleshoot WorldPay login issues, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection and the latest version of your web browser. Next, verify that your username and password are correct, and that your account is active and not suspended. Check the WorldPay website for any maintenance or downtime notifications that may be affecting your ability to log in. If you are still having trouble, try clearing your browser cache and cookies, as these can sometimes interfere with the login process. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgotten Password feature on the WorldPay website to reset it. You will need to provide some security information to verify your identity. Make sure you are using the correct login URL, as using an incorrect URL can lead to login issues. The correct URL can be found on the WorldPay website or in any correspondence you have received from WorldPay. If you are using a virtual private network or firewall, try disabling it to see if it is blocking your access to the WorldPay website. You can also try logging in from a different device or location to rule out any issues with your computer or network. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact WorldPay customer support for further assistance. They will be able to investigate the issue and provide a solution. When contacting customer support, have your account information and any error messages you have received ready, as this will help them to quickly identify and resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve any WorldPay login issues you are experiencing.